I got the package. Let's try and open it up.
Magani.
What's inside? Whoa.
Coffee.
Whoa.
Jojo Armani.
Wow. What's inside?
What's that? Pants?
Wow.
Bag.
A bag.
Lalagyan ng laptop.
A bag.
Lagyan ng laptop. Bakit?
Tote bag.
Parang pambabae.
Tote bag. You see? Navy blue.
Lagyan ng laptop.
Wow. With a sling. Freebies.
What's that?
Perfume. Perfume. Wow. Smells good.
Armani.
Okay. What else? Wow. Got a new perfume. Thank you, bebe. Tsaka mga tester. Mga tester. Which I can use all the fragrances.
Ano yung tester?
Parfum.
Sample.
And that's it. I need to cut the video. And yung background sound.